Let's open up some new Hot Wheels. 1992 BMW M3 from Hot Wheels Rescue. Electro Silhouette from Hot Wheels Exotics. Shelby Cobra 427 SC from Hot Wheels Roadsters. Clip Rod from Experimotors. (1952) Chevy pickup from Rod Squad. (2010) Chevy Impala from Hot Wheels Race Team. Land Rover Defender 90 from Factory Fresh. (1970) Volkswagen Baja Bug from Tuned. Alpine A110 Cup from Hot Wheels Race Day. (1942) Willys MB Jeep from Baja Blazers. (2019) Kia Stinger GT from Factory Fresh. TV series Batmobile from Batman. Hot Wheels Armored Truck from Hot Wheels Metro. (2019) Audi R8 Spider from Factory Fresh. Alpha Pursuit from Hot Wheels Rescue. Corvette C7 Z06 from Factory Fresh. (1992) Ford Mustang from Hot Wheels Art Cars. (1969) Ford Mustang Boss 302 from Muscle Mania. (1969) Chevy pickup from Hot Wheels Hot Trucks. (1991) Mazda MX-5 Miata from Hot Wheels Roadsters. Let me know in the comments section down below which two cars you are most looking forward to finding. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you hit that thumbs up and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye bye.